The Cat S75 is the first phone to feature a two-way satellite messaging, and how it works basically is that it allows you to send not just emergency messages but any kind of messages to family and friends from faraway locations, even if the location has no cell signal. Now, the Cat S75 isn't the only phone with a two-way satellite messaging. I think the Motorola Defy 2 also features a two-way satellite messaging, and the upcoming Ulefone Armor 23 Ultra would have this feature as well. And not just that, the Armor 73 Ultra would be the first rugged phone to feature an under-display camera and an in-display fingerprint sensor. It's also going to feature a 5x periscope camera. The Armor 23 Ultra is expected to be unveiled at the MWC Barcelona event. We'll see how it goes. In terms of specs, the Cat S75 features a 6.58-inch Full HD Plus display with a fast 120Hz refresh rate, and the display is protected with the Gorilla Glass Victors. The phone runs on the Android 12 OS and is powered by the Dimensity 930 chip with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The phone features triple rear cameras, a 50MP primary camera, an 8MP ultra-wide and 2MP macro lens. The camera setup is perfect for capturing some high-quality photos and videos in different lighting conditions. The Cat S75 also features an 8MP front-facing camera, which is ideal for taking selfies and video calls. The phone comes with a 5000 mAh battery, and it supports 15 watts wireless charging, providing plenty of power to keep you going throughout the day. The phone is also IPC6 and IPC9K rated, which means it is dust and water resistant and can withstand tough conditions. It is also resistant to high pressure water. Additionally, the Cat S75 is military standard 810H certified, which means it is built to withstand extreme temperatures, shocks and drops. Like I mentioned earlier, the phone has two-way satellite messaging capabilities, which makes it ideal for use in remote areas where there is no cell signal. Finally, the Cat S75 has dual SIM capabilities and supports 5G connectivity, making it an excellent choice for users who need reliable and fast internet access. The Cat S75 is a rugged smartphone with impressive features and specs, making it an ideal choice for users who need a phone that can handle tough conditions and environments. And its two-way satellite messaging capabilities is also an important feature to consider. I'd like to hear your thoughts about the Cat S75. Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.